These cheesy potatoes are absolutely drowning in cheese sauce. They make the perfect side for any meal. To make them, peel 5 to 6 medium russet potatoes and cut them into bite-sized chunks. Place in a saucepan and cover with water. Add about a teaspoon of salt. Simmer until tender but still firm. Drain and place in a 2-quart baking dish. In a saucepan, melt 3 tablespoons of butter. Sprinkle 3 tablespoons of flour on top. Cook and stir for 1 minute. Gradually whisk in 3 cups of milk and simmer until thickened. Then add a half a teaspoon seasoned salt, a half a teaspoon black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Remove from heat, add 8 ounces of cubed Velveeta cheese, and stir until melted. Pour over potatoes, sprinkle 1 cup of cheddar cheese on top, and bake at 350 for 25 minutes. These potatoes are so cheesy and good, they are sure to be a family favorite.